I saved $1,247 in 30 days without eating ramen, without canceling my life, without being miserable. Most people think saving money means suffering. They're wrong. Rich people save differently. Today, I'm showing you exactly how. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Poor people sacrifice happiness to save pennies. Rich people optimize systems to save thousands. I used to think saving money meant living like a monk, cutting everything fun. Feeling guilty about every purchase, that's poverty thinking. Then I learned how wealthy people actually save money. They don't deprive themselves. They get strategic. These 7 methods saved me over $1,000 in 30 days. Real money, real strategies, real results. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete system. No more choosing between saving money and enjoying life. You can do both. Let's start with the strategy that shocked me most. Strategy 1, the subscription purge. This saved me $247 in month 1. You're bleeding money to companies you forgot exist. Here's what I found lurking in my bank statements. Meditation app I used twice. $12.99 streaming service gathering digital dust. $15.99 gym membership to a place I drove past to go to a different gym. $89. 3 cloud storage services doing the same job. $47 total magazine subscription from a weak moment on a plane. $19.99 monthly bleeding. $185. Yearly hemorrhage. $2,220. But here's the key insight. I didn't cancel everything. I kept Netflix. My family actually uses it. I kept Spotify. I listen daily. The goal isn't living like a hermit. It's paying only for value. Rich people buy intentionally. Poor people buy accidentally. Your action step. 20 minutes. Today. Go through your bank statements. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. Hesitating? Cancel it anyway. You can always resubscribe. You can't get back money already spent. Strategy 2, the 2-week food challenge. This saved me $312. Rich people eat out by choice. Poor people eat out by necessity. Here's the difference. Control. I committed to 2 weeks of home-cooked meals. Not forever, just 2 weeks. My meal prep breakdown. Overnight oats for breakfast. $1.50 versus $8 coffee shop breakfast. Mason jar salads for lunch. $3 versus $12 restaurant lunch. Slow cooker dinners, $4 versus $15 takeout. Daily spending, $35. Daily meal prep cost, $8.50. Savings, $26.50 per day. 2 weeks, $371 gross. Net after groceries, $312. The psychological trick that made this work? Temporary commitment. I wasn't giving up restaurants forever. I was doing a challenge. Deprivation mindset kills motivation. Challenge mindset builds momentum. Bonus discovery. I felt better. More energy. Some homemade meals beat restaurant food. Strategy 3. Your closet is a gold mine. This generated $284. Your closet contains $1,000 worth of clothes you haven't worn in a year. One Saturday. One simple question. If I saw this in a store today, would I buy it? No? Sell pile. My weekend haul. Designer jeans. Tags still on. $45 on Poshmark Electronics collecting dust. $89 on Facebook Marketplace books I'd never reread. $23 on Amazon kitchen gadgets from my I'll definitely use this phase. $67 on eBay workout equipment from my optimistic period. $60 on Craigslist. Total, $284, one weekend. The secret, price to move, not to maximize. Price 30% below retail. Your goal is cash flow, not perfection. Rich people understand. $1 today beats $2 never. Strategy 4, the 24-hour rule. This prevented $198 in waste. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you save. Simple rule. Any purchase over $50 requires a 24-hour wait. No exceptions. What this stopped me from buying. Coffee maker because mine was too slow. $89 jacket that was perfect for fall. 65 productivity course that would change my life. $97 impulse purchases avoided. $251. Here's what's fascinating. After 24 hours, I didn't want most of these things. I wanted the feeling I thought they'd give me. Rich people buy solutions. Poor people buy emotions. The items I bought after waiting? A winter coat I'd researched for weeks. Genuine need, not impulse. The 24-hour rule doesn't stop buying. It stops stupid buying. Strategy 5, generic brands for 30 days, saved me $127. Rich people buy quality, not brands. There's a difference between better ingredients and better marketing. My generic switches. Cleaning supplies. $23 saved basic medications. $31 saved pantry staples. $45 saved personal care items. $28 saved monthly savings. $127. Reality check. Most people can't tell the difference in blind tests. You're paying 40% more for packaging. Exceptions matter. I kept my coffee and skincare. Quality impacts my daily experience. Smart people optimize. Stubborn people overpay. Strategy 6. Bill optimization. Saved me $89 monthly. Poor people pay bills. Rich people negotiate bills. Most people treat utilities like death and taxes. They're not. My optimization hits. Internet provider negotiation. $25 per month saved thermostat adjustment, 3 degrees. $31 per month saved LED bulb conversion. $12 per month saved unplugging unused devices. $21 per month saved monthly savings. $89. The internet call took 15 minutes. My script? I'm reviewing expenses and considering switching. What's your best retention rate? Immediate $25 per month discount. 12 months. $300 total. That's $1,200 per hour. Companies expect you to negotiate. They budget for it. Strategy 7. Transportation audit. Saved me $156. Transportation is your second biggest expense. Most people never optimize it. Habits aren't strategies. My 30-day tracking revealed consolidated errands, 1 trip weekly. $45 gas savings, public transit twice weekly downtown. $32 saved walking trips under 1 mile. $28 saved carpooling 3 days weekly. $51 saved. Total $156. Unexpected benefit? I enjoyed the walks and bike rides. Sometimes the money-saving choice improves your life. Key insight. Most transportation is habitual, not necessary. We drive because we always drive, not because we should. The real numbers from my 30-day challenge. Subscription Purge, $247. Food Challenge, $312. Closet Cash Mine, $284 24-hour purchase pause, $198. Generic Brand Experiment, $127. Bill Negotiation Blitz, $89. Transportation Hack, $156. Total, $1,413 in 30 days. More important than the money. I never felt deprived. Every strategy was temporary, strategic, or life-improving. Rich people don't save by suffering. They save by being intentional. Your challenge? Pick 3 strategies. Start this week. Don't try all 7. That's how you burn out and quit. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar you can invest. Your future self is counting on your present decisions. Which strategy surprised you most? Comment below. Tell me which one you're trying first. I read every comment. I love hearing your money-saving wins. If this showed you a clear path to $1,000, hit that like button. It helps others find this information. Want more wealth building without misery? Subscribe. Next week, the 5 investments that changed my financial life forever. Your money, your rules, your future. Let's make it happen.